Let me share this video with you today. How to load a 3D model with code written by Gemini. Make little games like this or like this. You can pull to the end of the video to see the text summary. Step 1. We need to prepare the 3D model. Babies who can't model don't panic. We can use eye modeling tools. I will demonstrate it to you today with Neural4D. There are 3 generative models of this tool. A generative model combining graphics and text. Text generative model and picture generative model. There are also some models that have been made on the homepage. You can download them. Here is a picture generative model. After clicking the third button to enter the page, we upload a reference image in the box on the left. Be patient for a while. 4 models will be generated at once. We choose the model that is most satisfactory. Save the lower left corner as a GLB file. Next, create a new folder and put the GLB file in it. The second step is to prepare the prompt words. We need to tell Gemini, load the model we just prepared with code. So be sure to write this sentence at the beginning. You remember that? Put the model name. Change it to the name you just saved. Here's the part. Change it to describe yourself. Keyword for desired effect. The live streaming host does particle effects here. If you want to load the original model, just tell Gemini to keep the original texture of the model. Next, send the prompt word to Gemini. Prepare the code. Step 3. We need to run the code using Visual Studio Code. We open Visual Studio Code. Select the folder that has just been prepared. Right-click to create a new file. Enter the name of the code file and add the suffix of .html. Paste the code we just prepared into this file. Next, click on these 4 squares on the left. Search for the plugin live server here and download it. Click the first button on the left to return to the folder. Select the HTML file. Run with the plugin you just downloaded. It will automatically jump to the browser. It's an interactive little game where you load a 3D model. It's done. Hope it helps everyone.